Hi, I'm George Smeddles, and watch as I deconstruct my mix for Last Night a DJ Saved My Life. So the reason I've picked this track to show you how it was made and stuff was because there's not a lot to it, it's fairly simple. I just wanted to make a tune for my sets, like an edit sort of thing. And I've always, this is a huge record, but I've always wanted to play it and stuff. It's just been missing that oomph. So I thought, let me just have a stab at trying to, give it a little bit more. So I wanted to bring the track up so it did blend in with everything else. And also just add a few elements to it. So you'll see how I haven't done nothing crazy. No mad processing, it's all fairly simple. So yeah, if you're thinking about doing an edit, just maybe just go for it, especially if you've got an idea in your head of how you want it to sound.
Last night a DJ saved my life.